right, good morning. That was a quick cold start of our third gen MX-5 Miata. As you can see here, the temperature gauge is still cold and will be rising as the car gets up to temperature. 24,474 miles as it sits right now. Just show you around the interior a little bit, just to cover some stuff that may not have been immediately obvious in the photos. Have a aftermarket head unit here, but the original is included with the car. You'll see that in the photo gallery, so in case you want to revert back to that, but there is that. As you can see, the limited edition with its individualized serial number 147 of 3500. Of course, 6-speed manual. Of course, because it is a Miata, pretty Spartan interior, just the bare essentials for the driving enthusiast. You have your audio controls on the steering wheel there. You have cruise control on the other side. Above right here, you have the release for the roof, which is entirely manually operated. You just hit the release button there. You will flip this little lever here, push the roof back down there, and it just sits and it snaps in, and this right here will release it when you go to put it back up. So we can provide a top operation video like we do all the other convertibles that we sell here, but there's really not much to show you in that respect, given that there's nothing electronic or anything, prone to failure or anything over time. It is quite literally just disengage, flip it back, and it sits right in. So as you can see in the photo gallery, with the roof up and the roof down, there are no concerns there. It is as simple as originally intended, and of course still works as intended. Other than that, there's really not a whole lot here to show you. This car is in expectedly good condition for 24,000 miles at this age. You have your climate controls there, everything that you need for a pleasant ride in the MX-5 Miata. And we are about to head out for our driving video to show you how this car looks, sounds, and feels out on the road, where it is perfectly built for. So thanks for watching. If you have any more questions as the auction continues, then feel free to drop a comment and we'll be happy to answer.